Good evening. What a pleasure to be back to New York and to feel the energy and the vibrance, sometimes even the noise of the city. And I know I'm standing in front of an audience that has developed some of the most exciting medical contribution to our age. So I'm really pleased and honored to be in your company tonight in New York, live. I don't know about you, but I've never felt more proud to be part of this industry than those days, especially tonight. To witness the process of our industry, of our companies, in developing safe and very efficacious vaccines against COVID and antibodies and diagnostic tests has simply been miraculous. And at the same time, the world was watching our industry. And these solutions are universally needed. And the beauty of all this is that while Big Pharma developed, we also saw small pharma, or should I say now, ex-small pharma, rising to the occasion. And I think that's an interesting message that we're sending. It's not about size. It's about innovation. It's about passion. It's about risk-taking, and certainly about hard work. I think it's a great inspiration for all of us here in this room and beyond. I have now Thank you. I have now the distinct privilege and honor of revealing the winner of the Prix Galien USA Best Digital Health Product. Who would not be excited of presenting such an award? The convergence. Can you hear me in the back? The convergence of digital and healthcare is just phenomenal and explosive. Digital technologies are becoming an essential component and an enabler of sustainable health systems worldwide and universal health coverage. We are only starting to measure the impact of data, artificial intelligence, machine learning, applied to healthcare. And it's happening during our times. As this global pandemic hit the world, digital transformation moved front and center. What might have taken 3, 5, or even 10 years before the pandemic became a matter of weeks at times, if not days. It's been remarkable what has been achieved, but digital technologies played their share in this new level of performance. So in 2020, based on the growing impact of digital technologies on healthcare, the Galien Foundation decided to introduce a digital health category. We assembled a jury whose members need no introduction because they wrote a significant page of the history of our industry. They produced many star products that actually collectively represented over a third of the Galien Awards ever granted. And I think they share this passion of nurturing new ideas, innovations, and being part of this jury has been basically helping to decide of who should be the winners. I cannot thank enough the members of this jury who every year are spending hours on their free time to review the dossiers, the applications, and decide who, in their view, should be the winners. Let's introduce my esteemed colleagues of the jury now.
Bernard Poussot, Director of Roche Holding, AG, former Chairman and CEO Wyeth, Committee Chair. Roch d'Oliva, Honorary CEO UCB. Michael Dolston, Global R&D President, Pfizer. Jean-Pierre Garnier, former CEO GSK. Henny Heaton, Global Therapeutic Area Head IDV Vaccines, Janssen Pharmaceuticals R&D. Sherry McCoy, former CEO Avon Products, former Vice Chair Johnson & Johnson. François Maison-Rouge, Senior Managing Director Evercore Partners. Elias Zerhouni, former Head of Global R&D Sanofi.
Thank you. It's great jury, great people. You all know them, I'm sure. I should just note, to be fair, that to prepare the selection of the many candidates we received, we appointed a Digital Health Award, an advisory board for that purpose. And I'd like to thank, on behalf of the jury, those members of the award committee who pre-selected among dozens and dozens of candidates. Anyway, and now I think it's time to reveal the winner of this category. The winner of the 2021 Prix Galien USA Best Digital Health Product Award.
Best Digital Health Solution. AliveCore Cardiomobile 6L System Arrhythmia Detector. Diabeloop DBLG1 Smart Technology to manage Type 1 diabetes. Dream Labs clinically validated sleep assessment solution for clinical trials that enables digital sleep biomarkers integration in remote and/or traditional clinical trials at scale. Huma Therapeutics Remote Patient Monitoring Platform supports healthcare organizations by providing greater access to care outside of a conventional setting and empowers patients to better manage their own health. Medable Decentralized Clinical Trials Platform. Expand research access to everyone, everywhere. Decentralize the trial experience to attract, engage, and retain patients. 24/7 global support, real-time data. Maja Tech in Motion. New digital dentistry driven by 3D modeling, jaw motion, and dynamic occlusion. Mime Incorporated. Mime helps users identify triggers to reduce or eliminate autoimmune flares naturally. Patientory Incorporated. Patientory, democratizing individual ownership of the world's health data and providing incentives to improve personal health and wellness worldwide. PX Healthcare, OWISE platform, patient experience optimizing oncology outcomes. Therapixel, Mammoscreen, AI-based software provides a reliable, supporting look at a mammogram. Ergotech, ErgoNight, a sleep training program with personalized exercises.
Fantastic technologies. It's been a real pleasure for the jury to read all these applications. The winner is Huma Therapeutics.
Ladies and gentlemen, accepting the award on behalf of Huma, Patricia Bradley, Huma's U.S. Chief Commercial Officer.
Thank you. I tell you, I'm so proud to be here with so many people that have done so much work here, and I know we've all been touched by COVID. It's hard to not think about it when we think about when this started, and you think about the stories we heard in the hospitals, people being in hallways, waiting outside, what would happen. This is where the background of technology can scale up and change things. And that's really why I joined Huma. Because back in my career, I was once an industrial engineer. It was all about scale. And I think there was always a missing part in all of this. And watching my parents go through this, my dad with COVID, you think about it and you're scared, right? We're really scared. What do you do? And what Huma can do is take that to the home and watch you every minute. And that's what home health monitoring is. It takes it into the home. It brings the oxygen meter there, the blood pressure cuff, the heart rate. So you know somebody is keeping an eye on you. And when this pandemic happened, we had the chance to step in, and we did. And through that, we bring hospital care to the home, monitoring the patients in a way that somebody always has their eye on them. And I know for me, that really gave me peace of mind. And so I know when you do that, we were very lucky that we could double the capacity of wards, that we reduced readmissions by 1/3, and that we did not have any issues. Everybody in our ward recovered. And that is a miracle. So with that, thank you. I appreciate this.
In closing, I just want to mention for your information that this afternoon we granted awards, Galien Awards, to startup companies, which also presented some very attractive propositions, products of the future. We wish them well, mainly in precision medicine or in gene therapy. So very exciting project. Maybe we can have a peek at the nominees and laureates. We are Acticor Biotech, Hemerian, and Vivet Therapeutics. Congratulations to all of them. In closing, I want to express on behalf of the jury our thanks and gratitude to Elsa Reeve and her team who made this preparation work and the nomination of these awards feasible. Thank you very much for your hard work. And then on with the program. I wish every winner tonight and all the nominees great success going forward. Thank you.